makes a darn good picture for us here today.
Guilty, by the way. I do drive with sandals sometimes, and I have a standard nonetheless.
You know, they honestly do get caught up
It's true.
on the carpets, the rugs on the floor, and it can mess you up. So it's a good idea not to do it.
That's true. Although today, some of you probably are going to want to be wearing sandals. Like that segue into weather.
Yeah.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, look at how beautiful it looks in Stratford. And you know, I'm looking at some of the different cameras around the state, some showing a ton of clouds, others showing a view that is so beautiful that it does not warrant me standing in front of that camera because wow, it is nice over there in Stratford. The sea's very calm right there, although, of course, this is the mouth of the Housatonic River, not out in the open ocean. The boating forecast comes up in just a couple of seconds. Here are the temps across the state. Kind of an interesting variation depending on where you are. Bridgeport 70, New Haven 73. Now you move a little bit further inland. Waterbury 61, Danbury 60, and even some spots in the Quiet Corner and the Northwest Hills in the 50s right now. So a variety of temperatures. Take your pick on what season you like because that's what we have across the state right now. Some of us seeing kind of clear skies, others kind of stuck with the clouds. You can see that in the middle of the state. The next area of rain, if you have a high definition television, you can see it right over here. Just moving on into Newburgh, New York, that should brush by spots in southwestern areas in our state. Otherwise, we will not see much in the way of shower activity through the morning. Here's the view at 10 o'clock. You can see one dot of green just dotting the sky over there in Hartford. Yeah, a bunch of clouds out there during the morning this morning, but we break out into a good amount of sunshine. That will destabilize our atmosphere. What does that mean for you? If you have an outdoor plan today, have an indoor backup plan ready, a few showers just sort of brush by. Well, let's say 1 to 2 o'clock for the northern part of the state, 3 to 4 p.m. for the southern part. And after that, with this cold front that pushes on through, it's just straight sunshine for us. That will be around for 6 p.m., 7, 8, 9. Well, that's not sunny at 9 o'clock anymore. And even 8 o'clock, the sun's already going to set. But overnight tonight, there will be nothing happening on the radar, which is good news for you. The winds out of the west today, for those of you who are boaters, 5 to 10 knots. At times, they may gust 15 or so. That will respond with the waves going up just a bit, so we may see some waves around 2 feet later on today. 68 to 74, the water temperature and the visibility will be good through the day today. Here's your planner along the shoreline with a sprinkle possible this morning. We break out into sunshine during the noon time frame. 75 your noontime temp will top off just around 80 degrees with a scattered shower or maybe a rumble of thunder between 3 and 4 o'clock. That's for the shoreline. Inland, it's going to be a little bit earlier than that, so we'll call a shower or maybe a thunderstorm around noon, and then our temperatures warm up to a nice high temp of about 82 degrees with very low humidity by 4 p.m. Overnight tonight with low humidity and the clearing skies. Yes, you know this happens. We'll see dry weather overnight tonight, but cool temps in the 50s for our overnight lows. The winds coming out of the northwest. That is typically a cooler wind direction, although we will see beautiful sunshine for tomorrow. Tomorrow is the personal day to burn if you got one, with a high temp of 82 degrees even at the shoreline. A nice day to head out to the beach. A few extra clouds likely for Tuesday and Wednesday along the shoreline with a storm that moves to the south of us, but that shouldn't affect us, though, aside from a couple of clouds. And the next rain, Jim, doesn't even look like much. That will be the day on Thursday. And again, no big heat, no big warm up, but no humidity either, which is nice.
That's nice. You said tomorrow is the day?
Tomorrow's the personal day to burn, yeah. High temps in the low 80s.
I'm actually off tomorrow. I don't even need to take a personal day. It just happened that way. Yeah?
Me too.
Let's golf.
All right, let's do it, man.
All right. I don't even know if he golfs or not, but
I
we'll
do.
figure out something. You do? All right, we're in. You want to pick out your hometown from the perspective of outer space?
Yeah.
Then NASA wants you. The space agency is asking for the public's help in categorizing hundreds of thousands of night photos of the Earth, most taken from the International Space Station.
All right, the photos are available online in a collection. People are asked to identify which cities and towns clusters of light are coming from. NASA says it could help save energy, contribute to better human health and safety, and improve understanding of atmospheric chemistry. I don't see Hamden, Connecticut over there on that map, but I'll probably have to look closer later on.
You know what? If you look really close, you can probably see your own house. He's all about the atmospheric chemistry. It's what he does. Are you encouraged a little bit about a recovering economy? Maybe thinking of investing in the stock market for the first time? Well, we've got a guest here who will give you some tips before you